Welcome. In front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 855, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boot your device from USB. First of all, of course, prepare a bootable USB flash drive for your device and insert it into the laptop, into any available USB port. And after you do that, turn on the laptop by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press the F9 button until you see the boot menu on your screen. So the power button once and then repeatedly press F9 key and just wait for the boot menu to appear on your screen. Okay, and right now, using your up and down arrow keys, you can select one of the booting options, and once you select it, press enter to boot from this device. In my case, it's the generic USB 3.0. So once I select it, I press enter to open it. And right now, simply wait until your device boots from USB. And as you can see, it's been done successfully. I got the Windows 11 setup window on the screen, which was on this bootable USB flash drive. I'm gonna close it, pressing X, and then confirm by clicking yes, and the laptop will restart into the Windows normally after that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.